Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to translate your WhatsApp web page on your PC. It's a helpful feature that allows you to understand messages and conversations in different languages. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone. This will sync your WhatsApp account to your PC. Step 2. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, right-click anywhere on the page. A context menu will appear with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Translate to. This will automatically translate the messages and conversations on the page to your preferred language. Now you can easily understand and communicate with friends and contacts on WhatsApp Web in different languages. Keep in mind that the translation may not be perfect, but it will give you a general understanding of the messages. If needed, you can always disable the translation and view the original language. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.